All right, now let's take a look at example number 4 on page 191. So it's a word problem. We have Bellevue is 30 kilometers north of Air. So we have a town called Air, and to the north of it, so if I go straight up, that would be north. Going 30 kilometers in that direction is another town called Air. So let's just call it, Bellevue is 30 kilometers of Air. So Air is here and Bellevue is here. Okay, and then Churchville is 18 kilometers northwest of Air. So that's an important thing that we need to kind of determine, what do they mean by northwest. So sideline here. So if you look at your directions, this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. And we know that the angle between each of them is 90. So between that, so if I were to mention to you that a town is west of me, I know I am going straight this way. And if I say a town is north of me, then I know I'm going straight that way. And without telling, we know that the angle between them should be 90, because between west and north, it is exactly 90. But they didn't say north, they said northwest, without saying how much north and how much west we're going. If they simply say northwest, that means it's right smack in the middle. That means each of these sections are 45 degrees each. Okay, so coming back to this question, it says the town Churchville is 18 kilometers northwest of Air. So if I were to draw like a tiny little direction map here, this is north, this is west. So I am going right smack in the middle, and that's where the Churchill town would be, and that would be 18 kilometers. Okay, now what do they want us to find is the distance between Bellevue and Churchill, so that's this distance. So I'm interested in this triangle right here. And in this triangle, I know this side, I know this side. And because I know this angle here would be then 45, because that's what the angle in each section of northwest would be. Now I know these angles, I know this triangle. So again, if you go through your list, no SOHCAHTOA because it's not right angle, can't do sine law because I don't have pairs, and I can do cosine law because I have two sides and it's enclosed angle. So it's already kind of set up for us. So this is A, so this would be side A that I'm looking for. So again, once again, we're solving for A. So we set up our cosine law and we put in our values. So B is, so that's your B, this is your C. 30 square plus 18 square minus 2 times 30 times 18. Cos of 45 degrees. So when you input all of this in your calculator, you should get an answer which is somewhat like 460.32 something something, or you can just keep this number as it is and then do a square root of this answer in your calculator right away, and it will give you 21.45, which when you round it to the nearest kilometer gives you 21 kilometers.